Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to the Mega channel. Today I am going to explain about glossary. Lesson ending లో glossary ఉంటుంది కదా, దట్ మీన్స్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ కీ పాయింట్స్ అన్నమాట. వాటి గురించి ఈరోజు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. ఓకే, లెట్స్ స్టార్ట్. See this one. First one is budding. Already all these keywords are present in our first unit. What is the lesson name? The living world. What is that? The living world. అందులోని key points ఇవి. Okay, first one, budding. What is the meaning of budding? It is a method of asexual reproduction in unicellular organisms. Example, hydra or yeast. It is the one type of method asexual reproduction. This method takes place in unicellular organisms. Example, hydra and yeast, where new individuals are developed from parent as an outgrowth of mature organism. Okay, this is about the budding. Next one, consciousness. What is the next one? Consciousness. What is the meaning of this word? It is the ability of organisms to sense the surroundings. So in this earth, all organisms have the ability to sense our surroundings, what happened in our surroundings. This is about the consciousness. Next one, fission. It is a method of asexual reproduction in unicellular organisms. Fission is also one method of asexual reproduction, and it takes place in unicellular organisms. In this process, the division of nucleus and cytoplasm into two or more parts to form new individuals. Okay. Next one, flora. Flora. It contains the actual account of habitat, distribution and systematic listing of plants of a given area. So we see in such area, in a particular area, some plants are present. So all these plants and that habitat and listing of plants, all these are come under the flora. Again, it contains the actual account of habitat, distribution and systematic listing of plants of a given area. Next one is fragmentation. It is a method of vegetative reproduction commonly found in filamentous forms, where the plant body breaks up into smaller pieces or fragments, and each fragment develops into a new plant. So fragmentation is the one type of vegetative reproduction. In this process, fragments are divided into smaller parts. After that, it develops into a new plant. Next one, growth. It is a permanent and irreversible increase in the size of a living organism, generally accompanied by a change in dry weight. Okay, so it is a permanent and irreversible increase in the size of any living organism. Okay, next one is in vitro. Outside a living organism and in an artificial environment, this is called in vitro. Next one is manual. See, manual. What is the meaning of manual? It is a small book especially designed for ready reference. It is a small book specially designed for ready reference. Next one is metabolism. It refers to the sum total of all the chemical reactions occurring in the body of an organism. Two types are present in this metabolism. What is the meaning of metabolism? The sum total of all the chemical reactions occurring in the body of an organism. It is two types, anabolism and catabolism. First one is anabolism. In this process, it is a constructive metabolic process in which complex molecules are formed from simpler molecules. This process is called anabolism. What is the meaning of anabolism? It is a constructive metabolic process. In this process, complex molecules are formed from simpler molecules. This is called anabolism. And second one is catabolism. In this process, it is a destructive metabolic process. It is also called as destructive metabolic process in which complex molecules are broken down into simpler molecules is called catabolism. This process is called catabolism. What is the meaning of catabolism? In this process, the complex molecules are broken down into simpler molecules. This is called catabolism. And another name of this catabolism, destructive metabolic process. What is that? Destructive metabolic process. Okay friends, thank you to all. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.